I carry the best keys.
Yo, what up guys, I'm just not saying destination and she just said traffic them for themselves to that one twara che te la easy Jew. Oh na guys. Keep like I always bring you something different, something crazy, something big, la easy Jew. So guys, today, as you can see, let's try to super or easy Jew. So guys, what you're doing today is you wanna be putting MOHAU on a hot seat and asking her spicy, naughty questions. Lantwara, if you get it, why easy Jew? So like guys, before we start, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell and get notified whenever I drop more bangles. Guys, 70% of y'all not subscribed. Ow, guys, let's subscribe. Let's subscribe and like once Joe. So guys, let's ask her this first before we start. Are you single?
I am single.
Guys, if Loana potential, DM her guys. I'll put her socials there. Pila if you wanna potential, because she said she's single by the way. Ne? So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Like it, Joe. Guys, let's start with it, man. So but I'm gonna ask you questions. If you skip the question, we wanna dare you. But the day is not gonna be a normal day. Ne? It's not gonna be a normal day. You wanna dare to do something crazy for the camera. Lanswa. Ne? So guys, the first question is, what's your biggest turn on? What's your biggest turn on? You wanna skip the question? Okay, then you have to dare then. Bro,
So yeah, I see you and they did. Since you it's giving the ring.
So guys, the day is that's the first day, guys. So guys, it's just content. Relax, guys. Shit, stop. Next time it's just content. So guys, they did her because she doesn't know how to answer that question. She's gonna have to kiss me here. Get me chair.
Like right now?
Yeah. Always. So guys, now let's go for the another question now. If she can't answer it, guys, this are spicy questions. She has to answer it. You have to answer those questions, bro. Like you have to answer those questions. You can't keep on skipping the questions. So the other question is, what's your body count?
0.
Let's have.
Yeah, I'm a virgin. What do you mean?
Guys, let's have. Do you believe it or not? She said her body count is 0. Do you believe it or not? Ejo, do you believe it or not?
Nah, boy.
You don't believe it, ne?
Nah.
Okay, always. Now always. That's what she said. Like,
yeah.
So we'll just manage it then, cause she said that her thingy.
Okay, wait now. What's your body count, boy?
My body count.
Yeah.
Hey.
Be honest, boy.
Yeah, what's
Be
your body
honest.
count?
Hey guys, my body count.
Or harire simple, boy. Okay. Ikarekang komol.
Body count down.
Yes.
I would say bitch. I don't know what's my body count, to be honest, guys. I don't count.
Bro.
No, I don't count.
Hey, one.
I don't count. Bro, I don't count, Joe. So I need to count every girl.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm fana. I can say not in a bad way. Not in a bad way, but like I could say, to be honest, then I could say what's my body count. But yeah,
It's too much.
Too much.
Hey. So, what's your favorite sport to be kissed?
On my neck.
On her neck. On her neck. So her favorite spot to be kissed is her neck. Do I have a favorite spot to be kissed?
Yeah.
I
Do you?
don't.
Damn.
I don't have a...
You don't.
Nah, you have to dare me then.
Oh, yeah.
I don't have a...
I dare you.
Don't make it deep, please. Yo, ho, 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 ho. Yo.
Wait. I dare you to text your girlfriend right now and tell her what I like. It's over.
Yo. Ay.
And right now, bro, you have to do it right.
Yo. Okay, then. Boy. Guys, I'm gonna have to do this. It's a dare. She'll understand. She'll understand, ne?
Yeah, she will.
Yeah. She will, guys. Don't worry, guys. Ish. Okay, I'm done. Guys, I did. Ish. She left to understand, guys. Ish. Oh. Bro, but you're putting me into shit.
No, bro.
What am I going to say to my girlfriend?
I
I
don't
should not be
know.
like, why are you saying it's over now? Can't Jan, man. All of a sudden you're saying it's over.
Just a day. How about you?
Ish. It's fine. But though, I don't believe you that you're a virgin. I still have questions to ask you. What's your favorite position?
I don't have any.
Don't lie. Nigga, don't lie.
No, look.
Nah.
I don't because of I'm a virgin.
Okay, sure. In future.
Okay, in future.
In future,
Yeah.
maybe I would say missionary.
How does she know the positions if she's a virgin?
No, like
How does she know the positions if she's a virgin? But anyways, guys, Ramotepa was just, yeah, man. Ramotepa, I'm cool, but like, it's okay. Do you have any questions to ask me?
Who's your crush?
My crush? I don't think I have a crush. Do I have a crush, bro?
Don't lie.
A celebrity crush or what?
Yeah, maybe, yeah.
Celebrity crush?
Or influence.
Do I?
Yeah,
You
boy.
do, bro.
Obvious. Skin to
No.
nothing.
Nah, I don't think I have one, bro. Come on, man. I'll just have to say Akanya, boy. Peanuts hard, boy. Yeah, I'll just have to say Peanuts X, boy. I don't know if it's an X or it's still a hand, but yeah, I'll just have to say Peanuts X or hand, whatever that's. Yeah, that's my celebrity crush. But you know, almost one kid there. Okay, who's your celebrity crush?
Let me see. Ghost.
Ghost Louie.
No, not Louis.
Oh, Ghost.
Ghost.
That Ghost.
Ghost.
Yeah. Yeah.
That Ghost.
Okay.
Okay.
And don't judge my face, too.
Now we don't judge. So any questions?
Boy. What's Sarah? Get like
Do you still have any questions?
No, I'm still thinking.
So if we had to be closed in one room, me and you, what would you do?
No. What
Yeah.
do I have to do?
Yeah.
Probably nothing.
Okay. Lamutepa.
Yeah, bro. Like,
Lamutepa behind the cam. That's what she's gonna say.
Yes.
That's what she's gonna say now. But like, I always. Any questions?
what is your favorite sex position?
Yo. Ish. Guys, I'll have to say doggy style, man.
Why?
It's nice. It's nice. Yo. Oh, it's nice. Guys, I'm not the one who's saying this. This is not Unat who's saying this, guys. Trust me. But it has to be it. And so, bro, any questions?
Biggest turn on a girl, boy.
My biggest turn on a girl.
Yeah.
Hey. My biggest turn on a girl. Yo. Bro, I would say the way she dresses, boy. The way she dresses. Yeah, bro. I'll tell her, yeah, Julian, don't just wear like Carlo and I are going, I don't know. You are in the streets with your bros, Nah, my biggest turn on is the way a girl wears, boy. Do you believe in love at first sight?
No.
You don't believe in love at first sight?
Yes.
Guys, love at first sight does exist.
It does.
It
but
does.
It does.
It does. Yo, it does. How many girls, boy, why sharply in love at first sight?
Also, you're speaking from experience.
No, just say it's love at first sight, Marazang. It's not a thing of that we dated or we spoke. It's just that like she caught my eyes and that's it. Just up to my eyes. Bros, crushes remain crushes. But otherwise, hey, when I hurt you, ask me. I've been hurt a lot, boy. So I don't really trust girls nowadays, but it is what it is, Joe. I guess so, man. Any questions?
Red flag in a girl, boy.
My red flag. My red flag on a girl. A girl that can speak English. That's a red flag to me, bro.
What do you mean?
Yeah, that's a red flag to me, boy. Hey, Joe. Let's cool. Even though not every day, but bro, you can't boy like when you argue, boy, like we argue like in English, boy. Not a girl that's gonna say, Magalwena one not that. Like you need a hand that's gonna say, baby, like yeah, you get me? Yeah, that type of girl. So yeah, what's your red flag on a boy?
Flag. Yo.
Guningi.
Kuning.
Hey.
There's a lot, man.
Okay. State them.
Firstly, a guy. What's up, like color blocking.
Mabuja.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, not Mabuja. Can I go about color?
Mapanzula, yeah.
Nah, Panzula's their feed is nice. Okay. Then the other ones.
Do I have to mention others?
Yeah. You mentioned at least 3. Can you say it's a lot? Mention
It's a
3.
lot, but I don't have to mention.
Mention 3 at least.
Yo, Pavana is a lot, man.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to the naughtiest, spiciest question now. But you said you're a virgin. Bro. Are you being for real?
Yeah.
And I wanted to ask you this other question, but it's fine. Let's miss it. Bro, any other questions?
Rate me out of 10.
Yeah.
Me, I must rate you out of 10.
Yes, and I'll do so.
Hey. Yo. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and hit the notification bell. Get notified whenever I drop more bangles. Should I rate out of 10?
Yes.
Okay, I'd rate it a solid 9. Because I can be the one.
Oh. And then where's the one, Bafetsu?
I'm the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, rate me out of 10 then. Bro, being serious.
Maybe 8.5.
Okay, that's something. Okay, where's the other 2.5? 1.5. What is it? 1 point, yeah, 1.5. 2, yeah, 2.5. No, it's 1.5. Where's the other 1.5? It's 1.5.
Oh, yeah, 1.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's the other 1.5? Hey, boo. Hey, boo. There's nothing wrong. Hey, boo. This one is like it's personal, bro. Yo, this one. Something got a personal. Yo. Ibu. There's no problem with that, bro. Ibu. I won't take anything personal, man. Ibu. Bro, Ibu. Okay, Nhlebe. Yeah.
Imagine I will dare you. Serious.
Yeah, it's all there. If you don't say it, we dare you then. But you give it the spiciest day. It's either you say it or you give you a day. Hello. Nah, guys, let's not say it.
No, guys. Joe.
You. Hi. No, it's fine.
Only.
No, it's fine. I will. It's fine. Now I'm not offended. Can I understand? What she said, she said that I'm not her type. So I understand. Oh, answer. So yeah. Other questions.
Your favorite ex. Name her.
I must name drop my favorite ex.
Yes.
You.
You don't even know, bro. Because
No, I do. But I should mention my favorite ex.
Yeah, boy, for a video.
But I can't. My favorite ex. Eish, bro. Eish.
Or go there.
yeah.
Now wait. Floppo name dropping my favorite ex. Eish,
No,
it's
like,
gonna
wait.
make things tense now. Like hey, one porn, it's gonna be a thing of hey, this one still loves me. Shit like
Nah,
that.
boy, nah, boy.
Nah,
boy.
Can name drop my favorite ex.
Like, what's the something, boy? Drop a lady. I want to clear out.
I have 2 favorite exes, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, mention them.
Hi. You. Then I can't.
Boy.
Okay, let's stay
Try.
over here.
Or road there.
Yes.
That boy, I will
Since
date
there are
you.
two, like, we're gonna have 2 days.
Don't make it a spicy day, boy.
I'm finally
Don't make it a spicy
I'll do
day,
it.
We're
boy.
gonna be spicy, bro.
Nah, don't make it a spicy day, cause guys, the problem is me name dropping my ex's name. She's gonna like take advantage of that, and like she's gonna get that spotlight. They wanna get that spotlight, by the way. But it's fine, man, but I can't.
Okay, let me dare you.
But they're telling me to mention my favorite ex.
Favorite ex.
Hey, bro. I am done. No. I can't mention my favorite ex's Joes. Okay then. God
Let
damn
me dare
you.
you.
Okay.
Oh, damn.
I want something. No. Any ideas, Katas?
Okay, sharp.
You don't have to come. You can stay there.
Okay, sharp. Okay. I dare you to. Okay, sharp. My is a boy. I dare you to hack her and grab her. Okay, sharp. Okay, sharp.
I'm calm,
That's
boy.
too deep.
Boy, I have a girlfriend. Boy, that's the shit.
Katas, I need some water in that bottle. And
Okay,
you're gonna finish the water, man. Yes!
Joka boy, Joe.
Katas, can you please give me
Joe, I don't tell Joe.
No, it's
I
fine.
don't tell Bro, let's come with another thing.
I know. Are you gonna mention them or what?
Donna, should I just mention them?
Just mention them.
Donna, charger it there. Look at them all. Yeah. So, like, guys. Donna, should I mention them?
Yeah, boy. Other choice.
Oh, but it's gonna make things tense. It's gonna get things tense, boy. I can't mention my favorite exes, boy. It's gonna make things tense. Yeah, we need some questions to ask also, bro.
So, bro, are you gonna mention them or are you gonna drink the water? Choose what?
Check us space it up. Okay. So then.
TikTok.
Donna, my favorite exes. Hey, let's gonna give them that spotlight. Oh, hey, and then bro.
Katas, can you please bring the water, please? Cause
Okay, always. I'll mention them. I'll just say the initials, L and S. Nah, it's the initials. The other one is S. The other one is L. That's it, bro. I can't say that name. Should I name drop? Or the initials are fine.
Drop on.
no, we need the full names.
Full names.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yo, this is a hot seat for real, bro. Yo. So, another question, bro.
I'm still thinking, man.
Am I your type?
Yo. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell and get notified whenever I drop more bangles. Are you my type?
Yeah. Just be honest.
Bro, I'll say yes.
Would you date her?
Yo, Tala, would I date her?
Yes.
Hey, Tala, listen, you know what she said? Nah? She said I'm not her type, so there's no way I can date her.
He's not your type.
Yeah, that's what she said. So there's no way I can date her. Would you date me?
But I can change my mind.
Shit! Would you date me though?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a hot seat. Bro, this is a hot seat, bro. This is a hot seat. Guys, I would date her. I would. Another questions? Or do you have another questions? Any other questions? This is a hot seat. Yo, this is a hot seat. Ish, Dwana, you're getting your But now, wait, it's fine, Chad. It's fine, Joe. So, yeah, guys. Lantwara, guys, ish. This questions, guys, are very spicy, man. Ish. Are you a good kisser?
I am. Are you?
I am. Do you wanna find out? What? Stop drinking. You wanna find out or not? If I'm a good kisser.
Off the camera, man. Off the camera.
Off the camera.
Yes.
Guys, do you want it off the camera or what, guys? Guys, do you want it off the camera or what? Always, let's keep that one. Another question. Do you find me attractive?
Yeah, I do.
Another question. Oh, do you have any question?
So like, do you like his style or
You mean like fashion sense?
fashion sense?
Yeah, I do a lot.
Guys, she fucks with me, guys.
Okay. Just to know, what's your love language?
What's my love language? I'd say assurance, words of affirmation. Obviously, the well-known one, physical touch. You know what's your love language?
Physical touch.
Fair.
Yeah.
Okay, your favorite spot to be kissed is here.
Mm-hmm.
Another questions, bro. This is getting intense, bro.
Have you ever told your friends about Minati?
No.
Bro, how, bro?
No, like a question.
Nah, she didn't.
When
No, I did.
Nah, you're the only ones that know that she's coming in today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Another questions?
Okay. What makes you the happiest? Yeah. Okay, question.
Ask more questions, Joe. Any questions, bro? Okay, if there's anything that you had to change, Mona, what would you change?
Your behavior.
Yo, good behavior, yeah.
You're all over, bro.
Yo,
Like how?
yo.
Like all over. Different girls, you know.
Nah, just for content.
Which girls now?
No, bro. Like you know yourself. We don't have to argue or negotiate something like that. You're all over. What's yeah, guys.
Okay, what makes you say that?
Because if I can see,
With what?
bro, your behavior says a lot to me.
Keep behavior, yeah, not my baby.
Yeah. Do I have to say it
Yeah. Yeah, say it, keep behavior, yeah.
When you see a girl, you'll be like, touch it.
Touch it?
Yes.
Who did I touch? Who did I touch? Did I touch
Yo, you did.
Bro, I hugged you that time there.
Why?
Oh, I was supposed to be like...
Imagine if I was a girlfriend, and then you do that in front of me.
Nah.
How am I supposed to feel? And then if you because me doing.
Oh, that's different. That's different.
No, it's not for me because
that's
I'm
different.
too jealous.
No, so like level thing of now, I get jealous so I can do whatever I want.
Oh.
Yeah. How I get jealous when I'm going is Joe. Osh, one a lot like what she gonna say? She's gonna feel jealous. But now there's no one that's gonna say, "Hi, why are you busy doing this? Why doing this?" It's now gonna learn and know. If I had a girlfriend, not worrying. You see, exactly. But it's not. It's just that I need someone to cuff me up. Only if you can do so. Only if you can do so. Do you have any questions?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the question?
What was your first impression of her?
It's about to go down.
My first impression. The way she is, bro.
How?
Like, can you even see you like the skin color was reflecting in my eyes? You get me?
Damn.
You get me, bro? Like, yeah. So, what else?
Okay. Same question. Mañana.
Fashion sense, bro.
Dope.
Fashion sense.
Dope, boy.
For real?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dope.
I always.
Dope.
I need to get a fashion designer, bro. To
Yeah,
give me
yeah,
more,
boy.
more styles. You get me? Okay, any questions?
By the way, boy, do you like to cuddle? Oh, cuddle. You like Salah. You are
Oh,
serious?
she said that we shouldn't ask that type of question. Should I answer?
Yeah.
But it's asking you.
Oh, do I like to cuddle?
Yeah.
Obviously, yes. You can even see now in my room, bro. Like the TV even on, it's us on the
Oh,
bed.
my Netflix level.
Yeah, you get me, bro. The food on the table, play music, like low music. Get me, bro. Cuddling than smashing. That's better, bro.
Like, outside.
Yeah, it's not like everything has to be about smashing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mañana.
And then people they see me as me now umuntu othanda ukusmasha and I
Yes.
Cow. I'm not that type, Joe. So yeah, and any other questions?
Mañana. What's your best pickup line?
So I don't know, like.
She doesn't know.
Or should I dare you?
You dare me?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay. Marajo.
Just say it. Just say
Hey. Hey. But now you on camera, yeah.
I can eat
Must think about it.
Okay,
always.
I dare you to kiss him. Here.
Nah, boy.
On his lips, boy.
Boy, we on camera.
I dare you. We will cut.
Are you for real? Bitch?
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. I'm passing thoughts at some low mother. He's for real.
Zambak just sent a response.
Okay. Pass me there. Let me call out my lips.
Get ready.
Guys, she's shy.
I
Are you doing it or you want another day?
Try another day.
Yeah, do another day. She's shy.
Okay, I dare you to tell up by the morning.
I'd rather do the first one.
Okay, yeah. The first one is good, boy.
I don't know how to feel, boy.
Boy.
I don't know how to feel, boy. Question.
Mais. A dumb boy question. What do you wear to bed?
Bro, what do I wear when I go to bed? I only wear my vest and my underwear.
Girl?
Oh, you're asking me.
Yeah.
She wears pajamas.
Just paint.
Okay. Have you ever been in love? Boy.
Yeah, I did. How many times? Out of all the people that I dated, how many times have I ever been in love?
Nice.
Okay, that's my third one.
Yeah.
She has been in love, bro. I think I once saw her.
Wait,
Once been in love.
wait.
I don't know. I can't remember, but you once been in love. Don't lie.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
did.
everyone has been in love.
Yeah, I
bro.
did. It's
Okay.
an obvious thing.
Sharp. Girl. Do you believe in soulmates?
Yeah, I do.
You have a soulmate?
I don't.
Have
Maybe
you
I might,
ever?
maybe I might be one.
That's a bar. Okay. Do you fall in love easily?
Not really. Not really. I won't say no,
Resume.
but like not really. Hey bro, you can be in love with someone, but as you can see now, I wanna go fail, but like don't know the person. She or is a start mate or whatever. Don't just get in love easily. Don't just fall in love easily. You need to know the person's not history, but like sort of something like that. Or we don't know what yang nairang. I know wala bono lwa wela fela lwena. Ka bala boy. Find out the jiggy motho na le bozumela. That's how life is. Don't just fall in love easily, man. Me, I was hurt, Joe, so I don't trust girls. That's what I wanna say. Never trust girls.
Okay.
He didn't know her.
Girl.
I got. I'm just saying. I didn't say you. I'm saying girls. He didn't know her.
But
Girl.
if you're seeing girls, you're including me.
Do you have any relationship deal breakers?
I will let them about no one lad.
What?
Deal
Relationship
breakers.
deal. What?
Deal breakers. You joking?
Relationship deal breaker.
Or give my jump.
Mine's dead.
Okay, sure. Since you were not just about seeing the relationship,
Nah.
and how many times? By who?
Bro, almost every relationship that I get into, people try to ruin my relationships, bro. People like now I won't lie, every relationship that I get into, there's always those people that's gonna go there and lie about me and tell people about my history.
Because if they know.
Kibumba. You wanna know them?
Nah, usually they don't tell me their names. They just tell me, hey, I'm talking about like, when nona le motho mo so neng kai. Then I'll be like, yeah, oh, that's my ex, bro. Can pay that like that. So there's always those people, Joe, that's gonna try to ruin relationships. That's how it is. It's part of life. Must get used to it.
Have you ever been cheated on? Girl.
Yeah.
By?
Should I say the name?
Nah.
I don't see the need. Don't see the need.
Initial.
Nah, me, I did. Yeah, someone cheated like Joe. Hey, Joe, I cheat every time.
Not really, bro.
Not like every time.
Not
Because,
fair.
bro, you know one thing I'll
Bro,
tell you.
I've
like,
never cheated in my
listen
life.
to-
No, I never did.
Why? You know what? One thing about girls, even if they cheat, you won't find out. But if
Yeah.
gents cheat, they find out.
Because of his ears to see.
Me, I can cheat, they can find out. Mara ere hena shime.
Boy, eti byan. Cheetah boy bakono mona.
Manyana. You.
Manyana.
Let me tell you the reason why.
Yeah, why?
You see, if a guy starts cheating there, they change their behaviors.
And the communication, yeah, like,
Exactly. And then let me say, maybe a girl wants to cuddle or something there. You will say, I'm tired. You see? And then girls don't do that.
They just go.
They just go. So that's why.
Never. Since that one girl, never trust girls. Never. Since Tina's cheated Kanya. What do you have to say about that?
yeah, boy, Linda, say now.
Can you see her girls? Never trust girls, bro. That's
Never
how it
trust
is.
boys and the girls. Bilang ma.
Okay.
So wait, like, do you believe in rumors?
No.
Okay. Any other question?
Do you?
Nah,
What
Feel
are
like
your
you do.
nah, I don't.
relationship red flags? Boy.
Relationship what?
Red flags.
Red flags. I don't know.
Boy,
No, you have to
boy.
know because of you being in relationships.
No, like, bihang.
How?
Okay. Is it like relationship red flags? I only like have red flag towards a girl that like my red flag towards a girl.
Boy, there's like, nalo gelawa when your red flag yabo na muna, maybe muna wale kada, you understand? Yeah, I understand.
Yeah, I wanna answer that. I guess.
Yeah.
So like, nigga, as much as I would spend for a hand, I would want her to do the same, bro. This thing shouldn't be outside that. This guy won't get like a MOHAU.
We're big personality.
No,
Yeah.
I'm big personal. Salomo too. Hey, cow. So that's not what I want. You get me? Like, as much as, bro, I'll take you out. Okay, like, so okay, today I'm the one who has money. Let's go out. Simple. You have money. Let's go out. Not everything depends on me
there has to
now.
be
Yeah.
difference,
One swara. Do you like? Yeah, that's that's it. I'd say that's it. Any other red flags?
Yeah. Wanyana.
Bro,
Same
we
question.
did say the red flag, Joe.
Really red flag. Tsa wanyana. As long as it's a relationship.
Okay.
Okay, wanyana.
My red flags. Like you're supposed to you see? Like, exactly my point. And then Mujala go starting. It's something
It's childish, ne?
very childish.
Do you like? Would you wanna see me almost every day, or once a month, or once a week?
Twice a week.
Yeah, one and every day to do the club.
Yeah. It's boring.
Yeah, that's how it is. What else? What was your longest relationship?
When?
What was your longest relationship?
1 year. 3 months.
I was close. My last relationship was like 1 year, 4 months.
You.
Yeah.
Bro.
Thing is, it happened that the girl started cheating. Then she was like, "You the one who's cheating." I wanna once Wayana hello cheater. How about why to studying? Baby, do you love me? And so I got to say, like on a random day, you wanna do you love me? Then you can see something is fishy here. What do you like about me? Like once you already spoke about that before you started dating. But now, all of a sudden, what you happen, then you can see there's something fishing here. There's someone that's better than you.
Wait, let me get experience already. Wait.
Now,
Yeah.
you must know that there's someone. If you're experiencing it, there's someone there.
Damn.
Then I actually found out after that phase, Hillary started asking, hey,
And plus, I was your baby. Ntepe.
yeah, you see, baby, do you have a homeboy?
No.
Nah, I also don't believe in homeboy, homegirls.
Yeah.
Homeboy, homegirls.
Yeah.
Hey, I've once been in that phase of having a home girl, things they do. Trust me, it's hectic. So I don't believe in those also. Any other questions? So guys, as you all saw guys, the seat was very hot and things got spicy and intense. So guys,